Hello and welcome to Assignment 4, Deliverable 1 for Group 7, CYBR201. In this assignment, we're going to be talking about three things. Number one is how JavaScript works and how we used it on our website. Number two is how we included mobile development and accessibility features. And number three is how we included the data types, events, and functions in our project. So let's go ahead and to our first slide here. Okay. Now for our first slide here, we have JavaScript. It is a programming language that adds behavior and interactivity to web pages. We also defined HTML as it is the one that defines the structure of the page, and CSS controls how it looks. JavaScript makes it so that when users interact, it becomes responsive, meaning the website becomes responsive. You can use JavaScript for reactions on button clicks, for content to be updated without constantly reloading the page, and also stuff like to show or hide elements when and build dynamic interfaces. In our lab, we included reactions to how the contact form on the website behaves, like error messages for an unfilled form, and a thank you message for a successfully submitted or a successfully received form upon hitting submit. We also have dynamic zooming on photos clicked upon, and the required events, functions, and loops by the assignment. In our next slide here, we have mobile accessibility. Since over half of our web traffic is mobile, it is important to have web pages that are easily accessible by mobile devices. In the site code, we included the following: viewport for mobile scaling, a CSS style sheet to ensure readability and visual organization for our mobile visitors, and form labels to make sure mobile users know what they're viewing. And lastly, we have our slide about the code requirements. We have the following data types: string, used for text; array, used for storing multiple values in one variable; and the boolean, that returns true or false depending on the validation. We also have our functions that validate user input and handle the form submission. And we have the submit event listener that causes the form to respond when the user clicks the submit button. And that is it for our slides for our first deliverable. See you on our next one.